Ooh. Well, it's Monday morning. It rained all through the night last night, and the river just continues to bring the ice down. Pretty soon this will be jamming up and the flow will stop. But it made a nice mess around here that not only is a mess, but it's a little hard to walk on because you get on solid ground out of the water puddles, and this is ice. So it has been a very interesting morning. Internet is out because the dish is iced over really bad, along with everything else.
Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. Don't know what the date is, but it is about 9:30 in the morning. The winds have been blowing like crazy all night long. It's about 35 degrees right now. I'm still half asleep. I haven't had any coffee, but I couldn't resist coming down here with the camera. So I'm still kind of sleepy. I'm having to watch my steps because my trail is a sheet of ice, and ice skates just don't work too well out here. Not that I have any anyway. Oh. The pups are enjoying themselves. Takani and Lupa have been chasing each other all over the place. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Can't remember the rest of that. That's usually the part that sticks up in my head. Something about everything going my way. I was already down here once and covering things back up with tarps because stuff was blown over, and I was checking on the boats, and boats are good. There's my wood stove. Someday I'll get to use it. Oh, look, there they go. There they go. My swing's just a swinging, and it's gonna be out me in it. Whew. That. I've been waiting for my pop-up to dry out so I could put it away, and I would say it's officially dry right now. So that'll get done today, provided it doesn't rain before we come back out here. Look at that. Whee. Even with our temps in the 40s yesterday, well, didn't really stop this pancake ice. We lost satellite last night because the wind is so strong, knocked the dish off the mark. Hear that wind? Get it, Lupa. Go get it.
Well, after 3 days and 2 nights of intense storm activity, this is Wednesday morning now. We wake up, everything is frozen. Pretty solid as far as the ground is concerned. The little waterfall here has frozen, and the unfortunate thing is this water ran right underneath my boat, which has to be moved a couple of 3 feet further up the bank, because shortly this water is going to stop flowing and it's going to start rising. And we call that jam up around here. But hopefully we're going to have some sunshine today. Looking back up river from a spot that we hope will be our view one day. Well, this has been one of those amazing days. Though we have sunshine, we have had problem after problem after problem. We were pulling the inflatable up the bank, making progress with it, and we tied off to Michelle's boat here, which I had forgotten was still had the birch rounds underneath it. And the pull of the inflatable started pulling the Michelle's boat back off at the bank towards the water. So right now what I'm doing is working on this situation, and this has literally taken all day. So we'll have this fixed shortly.
Woo, there goes. Come alongs and rope and rounds. Miracles. Yay?
Yay.
Okay.
Zero degrees this morning, and we are seeing freeze up begin to take shape. The problem is we need some snow on top of all of this frozen surface to make sliding around a little easier for things like the jet sled and the snow machines, things of that nature, you know, like the snow dog. It just makes it better. So maybe here soon we'll see some snow. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it, subscribe to the channel if you would, share it, and especially leave a comment.